Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to be playing a game of chess. Well, let's get into it. Let's see. I think I'm going to move out my pawns first again because that seems to have been working for me. At least for now, you know? Yeah. They're moving their pawns out too. Blah, blah, blah. Sorry, having a hard time speaking right now. Not sure why. Gonna move my bishop out. And I'm gonna attack that queen. Hee hee. That's gonna help me quite a bit. I'm gonna take my queen out. Take that pawn since nothing's protecting it. They're taking their king out, which is a bit weird. I can't figure out why. If I go forward like this, it's going to force their king back again, which is going to be nice. So far, everything's looking pretty good. Just gonna move my pawn forward. Then I'm gonna take their pawn. Just gonna leave their rook. Ooh, their knight took mine. That's not good. Okay, I'm just gonna move there. And okay, then I'm gonna take their knight. I think I'm gonna take this one since it's unprotected. Seems like the best call. What to do, what to do, what to do. Just gonna move my pawn out for the moment. Just gonna move over here. Okay. Bit windy out today. Not sure if you can hear that on the audio. Okay, I'm just gonna move my king. And I'm gonna take it out with that pawn. Then I'm gonna put you in check, which is gonna make you move. And wait, I have my castle unblocked, which means this should be checkmate. Yeah! Woo! Woo! That's awesome. Another win under my belt. Well, thanks for watching, and goodbye.